Now this was the performance appraisal. Now let's talk about the management of performance. How you manage the performance? That is a very critical task. Okay. Are we talking about the training and development? So there are few fundamental principles of performance management. After those fundamental principles, we will hop into the actual performance management. Okay. See, as a performance management, we have lots of principles, lots of principles we have. So first and foremost, priorities of organizational goals. What the organization need to achieve. We will have a simple example after discussing this thing. So corporate goals need to be translated very well into the individual, team, developmental and divisional goals. Okay. So Maruti has launched new car. So the organization considering in Maharashtra only we will sell 1 lakh cars in a month. So this is the goal of organization. What will be the goal of any individual if we have 10,000 salesmen all over the Maharashtra? काय goal असेल? 10. One individual salesperson will sell 10 cars. तेव्हा किती सोपं गणित आहे. Performance management is very simple in quantitative terms, not in the qualitative. What about the team? Now we have here 250 outlets, service center. Then it will be divided with the 40 or something like that. Developmental, divisionals, all these things are there to ensure that what organization really needs is getting fulfilled by all these divisions, individuals, teams and developments. If any one of the showroom outperforms and sells the most cars produced by the organization at the first glance, in the first month only they have sold about 3,000 or 4,000 cars. What happens here? We find it as a divisional goal has been fulfilled by any organization. Okay. So let's jump into the another point. Achievement of goals is also important. So first we have only assigned it and then they have already sold it. So achievement of those goals is also part of performance management. The goals are not linked with only financial rewards. As I already told, the promotion is a different thing and the pay scale is a different thing. Showroom will not ask you money every time. What they will ask you that they should get more vehicles without depositing more security. Okay, every showroom has to deposit the money before getting a new cars. So in that sense, financial reward will be less, but they will be having more privilege having new cars at their showroom before any other showroom has. त्यांच्यासाठी ते नवीन असतं ना, बिकॉज कार कंपनी डायरेक्ट आमच्याकडे पहिली गाडी पाठवते. फर्स्ट इन मुंबई, फर्स्ट इन औरंगाबाद, फर्स्ट इन पुणे. सो वी नो दॅट अजेंडा. Continuous coaching and training or mentoring. So here we are talking about the training and development every time. So if performance need to be appraised or managed well, we need to have this process mandatorily. मी आज चांगला आहे, मी खूप काम करतोय 5-10 दिवसांनी मला बोर व्हायला लागतं तेच काम. 10 दिवसांनी मी एकदम कंटाळतो. आफ्टर 15 or 20 days I really not like that work. So in that sense coaching and mentoring चांगलं करतोय तू, yes good, हे ॲड कर त्याच्यात, ते ॲड कर त्याच्यात. We always give a more emphasis on that. Consensus and cooperation means we are asking everyone, सेल्समॅनला पण विचारायचं आहे, सेल्स टीम लीडला पण विचारायचं आहे. वी आर आस्किंग द शोरूम डीलर ॲज वेल, शोरूम ओनर ॲज वेल. वी आर आस्किंग everyone about how you consider performance as a critical agenda. So cooperation is also there, what we have discussed. It is a system, not a piece of work. Why this is written over here? If you are selling one car, you have sold it, is the story ended here? It just started. Why? Because he will get into the servicing station, he will get his first servicing done, he will get the queries. ये चल ही नहीं रहा है, ये बंद पड़ गया, ऐसा कैसे मॉडल दे दिया, और वॉट एवर और ही विल गेट अ गुड एजेंडा विथ यू. अरे यार सब पलट पलट के गाड़ी देखते हैं, ये नया है तो मार्केट में मुझे भी अच्छा लग रहा है. सो सॉर्ट ऑफ दिस इज द स्टार्ट. सो इट इज अ सिस्टम, नॉट अ पीस ऑफ वर्क. तो सेल्समैन विल गेट हिज इनपुट्स. एज अ मार्केटिंग मैनेजर यू विल ऑल्सो हैव फेस दिस इश्यूज. एखादा नवीन प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च हो गया कि उसको लेके उसके फीडबैक्स नए कस्टमर से लेके फिर पुराने कस्टमर्स को बताना है. कस्टमर्स आर वेरी मच सेटिस्फाइड. दीज आर द इश्यूज, दीज आर नॉट. If you go for any sedan car, they clearly told you, don't look after the ground clearance. ये कहीं भी घिस जाएगी नीचे से, बट हाईवे पे ऐसी चलेगी जैसे छिपकली. सो वी नो द फ्यूचर एजेंडाज. सो इट इज ऑल सिस्टम. ओके, देन मेक इट सिंपल एंड easy. More it's simple it is, more it is better to execute. Okay, so you got the performance management agenda.